ride with him when he mows the lawn. I get to ride, it's a bumpy ride as we roll along. Turn to the left, turn to the right, back and forth we mow. There's no doubt we better watch out for all those groundhog holes. Grandpa's riding lawnmower, it's fun to ride around. Grandpa's riding lawnmower makes some funny sounds. With a pot, 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 bang, bang, everybody knows. Grandpa's riding lawnmower, watch out, here we go. Pot, 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 all the laundry washed and clean, hanging on the line. As we're moving underneath, I duck my head in time. Grandpa doesn't see the clothes hung from post to post. Sheets get wrapped around his head, now Grandpa is a ghost. Ooh. Grandpa's riding lawnmower, it's fun to ride around. Grandpa's riding lawnmower makes some funny sounds. With a pot, 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 bang, bang, everybody knows. Grandpa's riding lawnmower, watch out, here we go. Pot, 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 this big lawn is almost done, there's a little bit left to do. Grandpa's looking tired, I'm glad we're almost through. Suddenly the engine coughs and begins to choke. It slowly grinds to a stop. I think the engine's broke. No pot, pot, Grandpa's riding lawnmower isn't running now. Grandpa's riding lawnmower doesn't make a sound. Not a pot, 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 or a bang, bang, everybody knows. Grandpa's riding lawnmower, now it just won't go. It seems like hours later, hearts fly all around. We watch Grandpa shake his head while staring at the ground. Socket wrenches, nuts and bolts, does Grandpa really know how to put it back together, how to make it go?
Hey, Grandpa, you think it'll start now?
Pot, 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 pot. Grandpa's riding lawnmower, it's riding all around. Grandpa's riding lawnmower makes some funny sounds. With pot, 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 bang, bang, everybody knows. Grandpa's riding lawnmower, watch out, here we